All right, we got lucky that we're actually in this. They're trying to load in, and it's just like, oh, failure to connect to server, and I'm like, why? No idea why. Never figured it out either. So, Wally Bear, let's see how we do. Or what? Oh, a Jana. Make me into a 1v9. That's pretty funny. Ooh, excuse me. We're going against his Jax. We have a Warwick jungle, Vigar mid, Samira support. Not support. That'd be terrible if it was. Samira ADC. Jana. Oh, there we go. They have a Nunu jungle. Wow, okay. Zyra mid. Vayne ADC and a Xerath support. That's kind of weird. We're gonna try our best this game. I hate going against Jax because of his. I don't know his kit at all. I've never played him. I've always went against him, and I've never understood what he does. I'm not gonna lie. He's a very. No, I don't even know what his passive is. I just know his one ability stuns, and he doesn't take damage. He has a leap. I have no idea what the other two, his ultimate or his other ability is. Oh yeah. We are going to not go Riftmaker. I don't know. I mean, I possibly might go Riftmaker, but if I go Riftmaker, I don't know. I just feel like it's going to be very man, I'm really messing up these minions. I'm messing them up very badly. Stunned. Do that. I'm gonna hit him up. Because Riftmaker, that's my thought. I don't know. It seems going tank item, damage items, and then going tank items seems kind of weird. I feel like I'm not gonna be a very good tank, to say the least. I feel like my tankiness will be very lackluster. That's not who I wanted to hit. I'll take it. Do that. But I am having a wonderful Friday. Home from work. Had a conversation with a friend. Literally just got off FaceTime right before I started this video. So, going great. I hope everyone else's Friday is going really well. If it's not, well, hopefully my voice will help make it a little bit better. And my terrible gameplay. I'm really hoping there's going to be a plant down here that I can snag. Oh, okay, Nunu. What's up, bud? Yeah, I would say just retreat. We don't need to do anything. I'm hoping for a plant. I was hoping for a plant at least. I'm wasting XP now. But, I mean, hey, Warwick, you definitely want to come up here. That's fine. Should have saved my... As soon as I seen him swap to his... Come on, Warwick. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Like, I just literally sat there and just let him bend me over. Is what I did. I did nothing to, like, counter that. No, you're dying. I'm sorry, but you're dying. Oh, okay, or not. Oh. You would have had his fear. It would have been so much better. Warning drag. Take care of some of these minions, actually. See. That's a TP for him. Careful here. Need to be careful. Okay, there's a plant coming up soon. So we'll kind of just stay back, throw down some E's, and hope for the best. What's up, Nunu? Twice now you've been up here, bud. You want to take a break? To have a little campfire? I'm kidding. He's only been here twice. It's not like he's actually like... It's not like he's actually staying here. Staying in my lane. What's up? I see you. Let you know I see you. Yeah, see, they're kind of getting them all, so it doesn't really matter. I'm not even level 6 yet, dang. Good, let's get some farm, perhaps. Yep, man. You have half the farm of her. Nice. Yeah, that's wild. 15 farm to 34. A bit behind. Okay. Yep. Let's see, 40. Okay, I'm not too far behind. Farm, that's pretty nice. Would definitely like to get some. All right, now he's actually starting to avoid the ease. I'd like to, well, one, back here soon. Get a plated steel caps. That'd be nice. Man, I'm... Wow, okay. Just missed them all. This is some trickery here. Trickery. Okay, he's gonna jump. Okay, I can actually get some minions. Dang it. I lied, I can't get minions. I can't get them for anything. Although, if I avoid his stun, honestly. Dang it. Get out of here. If I would avoid his stun. Just saying, I could have easily, not easily, but I definitely could have did some damage to him. Dead. Oh my goodness. I hate Jack so much. I cannot stand Jack. One bit. Go damage and see what happens. Like, man. He's just such an annoying champion. Like, it'd be one thing if his spinny thingamajigger either stunned you or you didn't take damage, but like both of them, like, that's a bit much. Come on, world, get him. Thank you. Thank you, Warwick. Granted, I mean, he kind of let me have that kill because he knew he was going to die anyways. Kind of funny he didn't give it to Warwick, though. That was really weird how he didn't give it to Warwick. I still have TP. Well, I'm about to have TP, and I'm also going to have Flash. That's nice. Blood drips. Dang, watch the mages burn that. Come on. I don't think I've stacked my grass tonight very much. Nice. Hit him. Hitting him up. What? What is that range? I mean, that's the Jack's flash. If you want to go get him, watch out for Nunu. What? That range? Like, you wanna... What about, come on now. Like, that... See, that is ridiculous, man. Die. Make me so mad. Yeah, next time I'm trying to jump into your board a little bit quicker. Wish I could just jump out of the way like that. Oh, coming. Yeah. Come on, get him. Nice. Borbeck, how did you get the kill? Jax TP. Come on. Nice. 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 That's what's up. Nice job, team. Yeah, see, that makes me happy. He's not mad that he died. We came out ahead. That's a TP down from him. Man, life couldn't get much better than that. Man. Maybe I should just play on Fridays. Maybe I should just play on Fridays. Apparently I do a lot better. Get better teammates and they're happier. Pink. And hit you with that. Alright, let's back. Get out Rift Maker. And then... Thank you. Oh, he ulted it. Not help that he ulted. Yeah. Yeah. Lived and I didn't. Well, yeah, I kind of came out ahead. Kind of came out ahead there. I'm not gonna lie. Really surprised by that. Really wish there was a plant here. Oh. Hot. Joke's on you, boy. Nice job. Man, I really should just play on Fridays. Teammates are doing spectacular. Man, enemy killing spree. What? Dang, bots 1 in 5. Holy crap. Had to adjust my glasses for that. Alright, but Xerath is definitely going to kill you. If not him, the minions. I don't have TP to help. I can go to a 4v1. Well, I have a missing top laner here. So be on the lookout for a dude in a mask with a pole. You know, just a heads up. Bing, 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 bing. Oh. Who's gonna go for it? He's feeling froggy. He's feeling froggy. You feeling froggy there, bud? I think he's gonna feel froggy here in a second. Yeah. Yeah. That's what's up. Alright, when he does that stun, oh. Shut him down. Shut him down. That's what's up. That is spectacular. Now, okay, I guess Riftmaker first item is still... Oh. Still good on him. I wasn't expecting Riftmaker to be so good. We're also 2 levels ahead, though. What is going on down here? Well, that's the Jack's TP. Yeah, he's feeling froggy for sure now. This is his time. Hey. Hit. Man. I'm wasting my flash for that. Thank you. Nice timing. That was great timing on Janna's behalf. Janna did great timing there. I can't explain how wonderful that timing was. Well, not what I'd like to see. Probably should have TP'd down there. What is Samir doing, bro? Like, what is Samir doing? Definitely want to get back here. Am I going to make it back before he... I need TP. I need TP. Yeah, not happening. Not happening. Not happening, man. Oh, you have a control ward there too, huh? Really? Really, Nunu? Ah, pretty sure there's a Jaxar in there, though. Yeah. Jaxar. Warwick's there, though, which is nice. What does his art do? Every third consecutive attack deals additional magic damage. Jax can activate his ability to do damage on himself and strengthen his resolve. Increase his armor. Oh, okay. No, no, no. What? Doesn't matter now. Why would you leave? Why would you leave? Oh, great. Now he's dead. Oh, man. Oh, man. This is terrible. Everything was going so well, and now it's going so bad. And I don't know why. Actually, I kind of do know why. It kind of seems to like be fighting everywhere for no reason. Like, what is... Samir, what are you doing in bot lane? Like, you need to be mid more than anybody. Nunu is just... I don't know what Nunu's doing, honestly. Oh, yeah, they have a Bane. Well, somebody needs to do something, and no one's doing anything. Samira, do you actually think you can pull it off? Do you think you're him? I guess, do you think you're her? Oh, come on now. That shouldn't have hit me. Get out of here. Get out of here. Where's Jack? Actually, I'm gonna stay here with... Oh, dang it. I was to say, really? Oh, that's gonna hurt. I'm dead. Ah! Well, we have this now. That's nice. Oh, Thornmail? I don't know who to get first. What to get first, because I probably should get this first, because this will counter 2 of them for sure. 2 of the heavy hitters. But man, is my magic resist very bad though? Like horrible. But hey, we'll get Thornmail and everything. It's gonna turn around for us. It's gonna be peachy. We're gonna get Thornmail, we're gonna run it down mid, and we're just gonna absolutely eat everyone like the gigantic thunder god polar bear that we are. Because we are gonna be that guy. We are gonna be that guy this episode. Like, we are him and I'm him. You are me, which means we are him. We will win. Nice. Go ahead and clear some wards out. Bink, bink, bink. Nice. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Okay. Okay, let's get him. Yo, how is that stun still doing that much to me? Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here, Jax. No one likes you, big meanie head. Yeah, take that, Cloud Drake. Wow, really, Cloud Drake? I feel like we kind of got cucked on that one. I mean, do we want to go Baird? Yeah, like they're all here. They're all alive. I'd rather not, because we can't even like be in the right spot at the right time. Like, what is this? What is going down in the mid lane? Just retreat. That's all you need to do is retreat. Put that there. I'm dead. Nope. No, sir. Oh my goodness. Guys, come on. Oh my goodness. Why does a what the hell is, what is that called? Actually, what is that called? Why does returning to base take so long? Like 10 and 7? Great. Now he has a 400 gold bounty. Oh my god. These bronze people, bro. I can't handle. Like, how are we? How? I can't even like form a sentence right now. Like, I know I'm in bronze, but like, what are they doing? Like, what are they doing? I'm getting straight up heated right now. And that's never a good thing. Like, I guarantee you this is going to turn into a whole team fight right here. And then we have a Jax up here doing whatever Jax does. I don't know what he does exactly. So, Mary, you need to be like pushing lanes, baby girl. I need to be pushing lanes, honestly. I think put that here. Like, we spend too much time responding to one person and no one's pushing. So we have people pushing. Jack's always pushing, but nobody's pushing anywhere else. Like, we need to fight fire with fire sometimes. They have our whole. Yeah, I need a quick reward going. Oh, we have a Vayne here and a Xerath. Nope. Nope. Pass. Don't feel like it. Nice. Yeah, see, I need some magic resist very badly. Ow, what? Samir, what are you doing? Like, I'm dead now. But like, Samira, what are you doing? Yeah, I don't... That's what I want to know. What is our ADC doing? Like, she's off over here clearing up a ward at Baron Pit. For what? What are you clearing a ward at Baron Pit for? Is that going to win us the game? No. What will win us the game is... being at the right place at the right time. No Cloud Drake popping up soon. No, they're not going to Baron. I don't know what they're doing. I have no idea where he's going. He's probably going up here to collect minions. Ow, ow. Great, I'm dead. That's a wasted ulti. Could have been a wasted ulti. There we go. Okay. All right. Yeah. See, that's a Baron. That is a Baron right there. That is a Baron. All right. That somehow turned out wonderfully. Not gonna lie, I don't know how, but it did. Why do we do no damage? This is weird. All right, I'm back. Take this. Honestly, we'll take some ability haste, yeah. And we're coming down here. All right, I'm here. I'm here. Stop typing, move. What? Now we're getting some magic resist up in this Izao. Alright. Let's just... Does he have Sack of the Void? Yeah, what happened? What's up? What's up, Chief? What's up? Yeah! Yeah! What's up? Papa Bear's here. Papa Bear is here. Get the tower. Get the tower. Get the tower. Nice. Oh, get out of that. Look at this. Whew. Vayne is very troublesome. I'm dead. Nope. But that's turn, so I'm backing. Backing. Yeah, we'll hit on the way. Alright, so we have some great movement speed and slow resistance, but I mean, that's about it. That is about it with these Drakes. Well, they have increased defense. Lucky. Dang, 177. Talk about farm, bro. What is this? Farming simulator? I feel like I'm screaming right in the mic. I don't mean to be. What's up, Zareth? What's up, bud? Not a Vayne, not Zyra. Okay, chill. Relax. Relax, relax, relax. See. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I had Hullbreaker right now. Hello. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Hello. Bye. Bye. Nice flash. Yes, sir. Get it. Just hit it. Get it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. What, Warwick, what are you doing? Weirdo. Hit it. Get the turn. Oh, ow. Can't get the turn. All right. Back. Backing. Whew. Probably shouldn't back here, but I'm going to. We'd be able to finish. I wouldn't back. I find it funny their objective bounties is our Nexus tower. Like, what? What is that? Samira. Come on, man. Okay. All right, Samira, cook. Okay, Samira, pop off. I mean, like, she only got 2 kills, but hey. You got some nice kills. Like, she definitely... Minute 41. That's all right. We got time to cook. Just gotta cook. Don't worry, Walter. We're cooking today. What is Samira? 23-9. Wow. I was not aware she was carrying the game. Granted, she also carrying the game after... Wow, wish his stun wouldn't be so long. There we go. Not so long. I wish it would take so long for that ability to activate. 56 seconds. All right. Well, looking like we got... Should be able to, like, get it for free. Come on. Really? Really, Zareth? Get out of here. Get out of here, Zareth. Yeah, let's get soul. Definitely get soul. I'm down. Is there a plant in here? No? Okay. I really need a plant. Whew. Almost a mirror here. Oh, I love how her name is just literally Child. That's so cool. Alright. Dragon's here. Throw me some lightning. Yeah. Yes, sir. Nice. We have Cloud Soul now. Awesome. Oh, I can't afford it. You know what? I do have TP, so let's do it. Let's do it. Dang it. Yeah, you wasn't expecting me to come through, did you? Get back here, boy. Yeah, that's what's up. Mirror, man. Why are we gonna destroy Nexus towers too? Yeah. It's alright. Yay, I got final kill. I got final kill. Alright. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see all of you in the next one. Above all else, have a wonderful day.